Hi everyone, my name is Karla, and I'm a medical device expert at PrimePath MedTech, here to answer some frequently asked questions about all things medical devices. So, let's jump in and tackle a big one. What is FDA approval, and how do I get it? Well, to be exact, the FDA doesn't actually approve anything. Their preferred term is clearance. So professionally, we like to say FDA Clearance. Okay, but how does one go about getting clearance? Well, first things first, we need to determine whether or not your device is a medical device. And this isn't always as easy as it sounds. For instance, a mouthguard used for sports is not a medical device. However, a mouthguard used for snoring is a medical device. And there are many other examples. The FDA has a legal definition that can be found by Googling FDA definition medical device. In the search results, you'll be able to find a link that can take you to the legalese definition. Generally, if you think your device is a medical device, then it probably is, especially if it treats, cures, or mitigates a medical condition. Assuming your product is a medical device, the next step is to determine its FDA classification. The FDA has 3 classifications ranging from 1 to 3, 1 being the most simplest of medical devices such as band-aids and surgical scalps, and 3 being the most complex devices, think implants and pacemakers. Again, there are complicated guidelines on how to classify your device, or you can just reach out to someone in the field, like us. Most people working in this field will be able to quickly figure out your device classification. Depending on your device class, you'll need to follow the FDA regulations for getting clearance. As you can imagine, they're more difficult for Class 3 devices and less tedious for Class 1. In general, for Class 1 devices, you just need to set up an FDA quality management system and follow the rules laid out by 21 CFR 820. And lastly, register with the FDA. Once you've completed all 3, you're ready to go. As simple as it sounds, following the FDA quality management system rules can be pretty tricky, and that's the big catch here. If you're a Class 2, your product is likely to need a 510(k) submission. This is a submission that shows that your product is similar to another product that's already on the market, and it also shows that it meets basic safety and efficacy requirements. Additionally, you'll need to register, set up, and use an FDA quality management system. Once your submission has been cleared by the FDA, then you're all good to go. If your product is a Class 3 medical device, well, that's even more difficult. You'll likely need a PMA and, before that, an IDE. Either way, it's complicated, and you'll likely need some professional help going forward. Always remember, regardless of your medical device class, you'll need to re-register every single year, and you'll also need to follow the quality guidelines listed in 21 CFR 820 in order to keep in compliance. Our team at PrimePath MedTech can help you with any of these steps, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Just contact us and we'll set you on your Prime path.